I think I can fit my drum set in the Aptera. In my last Aptera video, I talked about how I need the Aptera to be able to fit my drums. Drums, people. Way too many of you guys thought that I said drugs. Drums. Aptera recently put out a video on Instagram that shows a bass drum next to a guitar amp in the back. So does this mean that I can fit my drum set in an Aptera? If you're not a musician, you might not know that drums come in all sorts of sizes. My bass drum is 18 inches deep and 22 inches wide, and I had to try to figure out what size bass drum was in that video. I asked for some help on my drumming Instagram, and my friend Glenn said he had the same amp and that it's called a Fender Blues Deluxe. So a quick Google search gave me the dimensions for the amp, and it's 23.5 inches wide, which looks really promising, and 18.75 inches high. I'm familiar with these type of drum cases, and they're really thin and don't add much bulk. So it looks like the drum in the picture might actually be an 18 by 22, which would be perfect. That's exactly the size that I need it to be. Now the other question is, what Aptera version is in this picture? Now I happen to have the license plate number from the alpha prototype that I saw in person, and the license plate numbers are almost identical. Also, the rear looks the same, so I'm pretty sure that this is the alpha prototype. If that's true, and if it's true that the production model is gonna have a cargo floor that's 4 inches deeper, pretty sure that my 18 by 22 bass drum will fit no problem. The bass drum is the biggest thing to worry about, so I'm 99% sure that the rest of the set will fit in the remaining space. I've had some people comment that I should get a truck or a van instead of the Aptera. Now, I used to have a Toyota Tundra for 8 or 9 years. I used it all the time. But then I started playing music with someone who was able to fit his entire drum set and a PA system and speakers into his Honda Accord. And then that made me realize I didn't need this big gas guzzling truck. And ever since then, I've had compact hatchbacks and I've just used the cargo space to the max. I know the Aptera isn't designed to be an instrument hauler, but if it has the capacity, I'm gonna use all of it. Here's to hoping I'm able to get down to San Diego and test it before I take my order. I'm working on it. How are you planning on using your Aptera? Will it be your second car or your daily driver? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.